There's a lot happening in the garden. Here are some tips for success. Lawn weeds love the warmer months and can quickly take over the lawn. To control the most common broadleaf weeds like clover, thistles, plaintain and dandelions, apply a hose-on weed killer like Yates Weed'n'Feed. It's ideal for using on lawns like kikuyu and cooch and will give the lawn a boost of greening nutrients at the same time. Soil is the engine room of the garden, so it's really important to nurture and improve the soil throughout the year. It's easy to do this by adding a rich source of organic matter to the soil whenever you're planting new plants and also applying it around the root zone of established plants. Check your roses and other flowering plants for signs of insect pests and diseases. The most common culprits include pests like aphids and caterpillars, and diseases like powdery mildew and leaf spots. It's easy to control the most common problems with a rose and flower spray. For more gardening advice, chat to our experts. Happy gardening!